Hi, Joe Glavin from City Floor Supply, and welcome to our million points drawing. It's a million rewards points for those who have purchased Norton Abrasives. You were automatically entered and for every $50, and today is the day. So that's $10,000, and we are really excited to be able to do this today with the help of Norton. I'm in our pro shop right now, and as you can see, we have plenty of Norton. And so all of those who purchased Norton over the last 3 months are in the drawing. Again, you got a ticket for every $50 you purchased. So Norton Abrasives, we have commercial rolls in 12-inch. We have belts in 12-inch. We have all of their grades of belts, meaning silicon carbide, aluminum oxide and zirconia from Blue Fire. We have red heat. We have blaze, all of them. So including the hook and loop discs and the new blaze edger discs. So you can go to cityfloorsupply.com and check that out. But certainly the inventory that we have, we ship just about anywhere, and we really are appreciative of those that participated, and we're really excited to give away $10,000. So before we do the drawing, I'm just going to go through our showroom and office just so that we can go over the rewards program and that you have an idea of how it all works. It's actually fairly simple, and if you'll follow me through our wide plank showroom, we'll go over that now. Again, if you're in the area and want to stop by, some tremendous product in here, really wide oak and American cherry, up to 14 inches wide. And there's thousands of square feet of it laid out so that you can see it. So everything that's on these turnstiles is also custom and pre-finished with wire brushing, skip planed, super flat sheens down to 5%, you name it. The way our rewards points work, and the reason we wanted to promote this and do this in conjunction with Norton, it's such a simple thing to do. If you are a contractor and you are registered with City Floor Supply as a contractor, you are automatically enrolled in our rewards program and start accumulating points. And how do you know that? Well, on every invoice, your rewards are listed. And you can see that highlighted area. They're always accruing, and they're in the same spot all the time. Now, to redeem these, you do need to go to cityfloorsupply.com, and you will see, because I have a friend of mine behind the green curtain and is operating this. So you're going to see where to click from here. You're going to rewards register.
Stephen Clements says Walsh Hardwood would love some new equipment.
Oh yeah, all right. And we're going to get there because we're going to show you how to get that if you win. So we're going to access our rewards account here. And as you come through, you'll see your points totals. So this system, everything is seamless from City Floor Supply to City Floor Rewards. I can say this with utmost certainty that in the flooring industry, there isn't another company that has this kind of robust system in the country. It's a phenomenal system. It's just a great thing for you guys, and we hope you take advantage of it. So the moment that you're a registered contractor, you start accruing points. And by the way, that points total that I showed you on that ticket, we just took out the customer, but that's a real point value. So that's 3/4 points that customer has. And they can redeem that for, Anthony, let's go to equipment. So did you see that? Let's go back. if you scroll down to the City Floor Rewards Program page, you're going to see City Floor equipment right there in the middle. Go ahead and click on that. And I'm pretty sure most of the people in the audience recognize what these are. Moisture meters, vacuums, edgers, sanders, and nailers. It's the tools that you would normally use every day, you can essentially get free. Again, it's a very unique and robust system. Everything is available. We've just had redemptions for buffers and edgers for the end of the year. And it's really fun to deliver those on a free ticket. It's really a really neat thing. So besides equipment, there's also fun stuff. Redemption points never expire. We keep them in-house as long as you have an active account and haven't told us to delete the account. I mean, they're there. They never expire. We are the points bank. And a good point to bring up, after we had our fire, we still had those points. So everybody that had those points accrued and accumulated before the fire still had the exact same amount of points after the fire. So even with that kind of a terrible incident, the points are still there. So we are the points bank. It's amazing the amount of products that are in here, and not just products and not just machines. We also have chance for trips and vacations. So we go to recreation and there's travel. Whistler in Vancouver, 596,000 points. That's just over half of what you could win today. We're at 1 million rewards points. Essentially, that's a $10,000 value. So register as a contractor if you're not already. Register on City Floor's website, and also register for rewards. So again, you can't redeem unless you're registered through the rewards, but you are automatically in the program once you are a contractor. All right.
I have a question. How much would be $1,000 in points? 1,000 points?
Well, 1 million points is 10 grand.
Right.
So that's where we're at. And those point values fluctuate because we do things all the time. For instance, we'll put something on special on sale and it'll be double rewards points. So essentially the value is $1 a point. That's how it's calculated. But that fluctuates all the time because you could buy an edger and get double points. So an edger's $2,000, you get 4,000 points. So we're always doing that to promote the rewards program because it really is for you guys. It is something that we want you to enjoy. It's the fun side of business. So go to cityfloorsupply.com and click through to rewards, and you'll see, and we can give you your points totals anytime. Anytime you get an invoice or a packing slip, your points totals will be on it. So again, this is our wide plank showroom. This is our pro shop. If you haven't seen videos of it before, everything is connected. The windows let everybody see in, everybody see out. We love the setup. Aisles and aisles of sandpaper, aisles and aisles of finish, professional products. We also have pre-finished lines for the contractors. Customers come in, take a look. These are not custom products. These are all boxed products. And anyone that's been to a class here knows our little education center here is where we hold NWFA classes or machine vendor-specific classes with new products or new equipment. We do that all here. And up to the shop. So this is our repair shop. As you can see, I have in front of me, I just did want to talk a little bit about Norton product. From the Blue Fire, Red Heat, and Blaze, kind of quality in that order. And the sand dollars, if anybody hasn't used sand dollars, you're really missing something. No scratch patterns, just a great product for raw wood and for between coats. Red Heat screens, there is a slogan that Norton uses. I see it a lot of times at their convention and on their sales brochures. The finest scratch pattern in the industry, and they're not lying. It is a great scratch pattern. All right, so a lot of people are familiar with Blue Fire discs. You may not be familiar with the hook and loops that Norton has. They have it in red heat and they have it in blaze. These discs are for your palm sanders, your Rotexes from Festool, all of those types of machines work this equipment. Also hook and loops from just about any vendor. These will fit the hook and loop pads from those vendors. And then new, I guess the end of this year, beginning, is the Blaze edger discs. I know a lot of people have been asking about these and they're here. Available in 4 grits. Yeah, I think it's in 4 grits. So not the full complement of your standard Blue Fire edger discs, from 24 grit up to 120. But still, these are cloth backed and will last a long time and cut anything. I'm pretty sure these might be from like the aviation aerodynamics industry or something, because they cut anything. And then again, Blue Fire hook and loops. So hook and loop, bolt-on paper, sand dollars, screens, and then just a complement of belts. Just they have everything, and we really appreciate, as a partnership, Norton's sponsorship of this program, and we're really happy to be able to do this. Again, thank you to Norton, and we are. Let me get this up. Get all these in here. All right. So the winner of 1 million reward points, $10,000 worth, is Ron the Floor Guy. Ron the Floor Guy. Ron, I don't know if you're watching, but congratulations. So Ron the Floor Guy's company out of New Jersey. Fantastic. I will put this little teaser out there that just because you didn't win today doesn't mean something might not be coming in the mail within the next week or two. And we appreciate your participation. We do appreciate you as customers, and we thank you for purchasing Norton items and participating in this event. Go to cityfloorsupply.com, click through to the rewards program, and we really appreciate it. Congratulations, Ron, the Floor Guy out of New Jersey. All right, thanks for watching. Does anybody have any questions? Feel free to answer or
We
ask.
have one question. Someone keeps asking, will we have Blaze X soon?
We do.
Oh, that's the edger pads, or the edger.
Edger discs. Blaze X is in stock. Not sure what the X means, but I'll find that out. Thank you. Thanks for being customers, City Floor, and thanks for your participation.